Well, hello YouTube and welcome back to CAD Jungle. In today's episode, we're going to be creating this Allen key. Okay, let's get down to business. Once again, first things first, we're going to be creating a new design. However, today we're going to do things a little bit different. Okay, for starters, we're going to start by creating a new component. Even though it's one device, let's just say if you wanted to add new components later on, it'll actually save you some trouble. It'll keep things organized. Alrighty, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on this menu right here, right click on it and click New Component. I'm going to give it a name, Allen key. Click OK. Alright, now first things first, we're going to start with a sketch on the front plane. Okay, start out with a line, start in the center, bring it up, left click and hold to create an arch, let go, let it continue, left click again, and then we can end it. Okay, now we're going to start out with some dimensions to make sure we get it exactly the way we want it. We're going to make the length about 80 millimeters. And just as a heads up, my dimensions are going to be standard in millimeters. I prefer millimeters myself because that's what I'm accustomed to using. You can actually set it to where you want. You can actually do a conversion. Let's just say, for instance, if you go to document settings here and you change this, let's say if I was to change this to inches, okay, even if I was to change it to inches and I typed in 80 and mm for millimeters, it would still come out and it would show in inches, but it would actually give the 80 millimeter equivalent. Okay, we're going to continue dimensioning in this, and we're going to make this arch right here with this fillet 7.65 millimeters. And we're going to make the length of the top bar 20 millimeters. Okay, it's not fully constrained, but we will do that by making these two tangent to each other. Okay, now the sketch is fully defined. Next, we're going to give it the shape. That's going to be pretty easy. And to do that, first of all, we're going to finish the sketch. We're going to go to the very bottom. Okay, create a sketch, the bottom plane. We're at the very bottom. We're going to go ahead and use a circumscribed polygon. We're going to keep the number of sides that works for us. Okay. I'm going to dimension two sides and make it 6.5 millimeters. And next, we're going to give it a horizontal constraint. And now it's fully constrained. I'm going to go ahead and finish the sketch. Okay. Now, what we want to do is use the sweep command. It's going to be a single path. I'm going to select the sketch profile. This is going to be profile. I want to select the path. And there you have it. And it's going to be perpendicular instead of parallel. And it's going to be a new body. We'll click OK. All right. Last but not least, let's give it an appearance by hitting the A key. And again, I customized this myself, steel satin. And I'll show you here what I used. Go to Advanced, and color-wise, I changed the color here. As you can see, it's the sharp symbol in all F's. Okay. And there you have it, an Allen key. Thanks again for watching this video, and as always, I know you have other tutorials you can watch. but I humbly appreciate and thank you for your support. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.